JM po, nandito nga po kami. Para lang hintay sa kanila.
Prior to their arrival, various 21 fans battled it out in a dance contest for a chance to meet their K-pop idols in person.
This event is actually a dance contest for all the kids who love 2NE1. And for years that 2NE1 has been active, they have really copied every dance step that 2NE1 had released. So this is a time wherein they could showcase their talents and show the other people what they have learned and how much they love 2NE1.
There were a lot of people, a lot of groups. Most of them are very, very good. Coming from Korea, we're very surprised to see how good they are.
Everybody gets free tickets for the 2NE1 concert in Tribeca Field. But the grand prize winner would have a chance to meet and greet the 2NE1, and they would have 4,000 in cash para back to school nila, so they would buy their school stuff. We'll schedule a pictorial with them, like, basta dress up as their idol 2NE1. We'll make them feel how stars feel. Masaya po kami, hindi pa namin ina-expect. Kasi marami po din yung sumali. Kaya talaga unexpected po talaga na mananalo kami. Gusto po namin magpa-picture sa kanila. Yun po talaga yung gusto namin.
Hey guys, it's DJ Nikki, and as you can see, we are right here in front of the Araneta Coliseum. That is because malapit na ang Aftermath, the Hillsong United concert.